Stop scrolling for just 8 seconds, because what you're about to hear might explain. White explained. The next move is yours.
What if I told you that you don't need another 30-day challenge, another complicated routine, or another motivational video? That makes you feel excited for a few minutes and then changes nothing in your life. Because the truth is, most people don't fail because they don't know what to do.
They fail because they keep collecting information, but never stop and face themselves.
Today, I want to give you something different. A simple 24-hour reset system that can help you clear your mind, rebuild your energy, and understand where your life is actually going. But there is one rule.
This is not for someone who just wants to listen and move on.
This is only for someone who is ready to be completely honest with themselves for one single day. Because your life is not stuck. Because you are weak. Your life is stuck because somewhere along the way, you started ignoring the things you already knew you needed to change.
The habits you avoid. The decisions you delay. The promises you keep breaking to yourself.
Because your life is not stuck. Because you are weak. Your life is stuck because somewhere along the way, you started ignoring the things you already knew you needed to change.
The habits you avoid. The decisions you delay. The promises you keep breaking to yourself.
On this day, put your phone away. Stop endless scrolling. Avoid unnecessary distractions. Just you and your own thoughts.
And understand something before you start. This day will not feel easy.
You will say, just 1 minute, just one message, just one video.
But that exact moment is where the real change begins.
Because when the outside noise becomes silent, the thoughts you have been avoiding for months finally start appearing. Step 2. The mirror ritual.
Now, after removing all the distractions, it's time to do something most people avoid. Stand in front of a mirror. No music, no motivational videos, no pretending everything is fine.
Just you, looking at yourself. And ask yourself one simple question. What am I truly trying to become? Don't rush to find the perfect answer. Just sit with that question.
Don't rush to find the perfect answer. You don't need to say it out loud.
Your life won't change because you watch this video. It will change because of what you choose to do after it ends. The next move is yours.